Hello, Namaste and welcome back to my channel Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Aries people, this is your current energy. This is your partner's current energy. Let's talk about your current energy first. The High Priestess. Aries people, you are up to something. You are hiding some information, some details, some crucial announcements from your partner. What is it? Or perhaps you do not want to disturb them. Or perhaps you are planning something big for your partner. That's why you're hiding your emotions, you're hiding your things, you're hiding what's going on in your mind. Something is there which you are hiding from them. Okay. Oh, Four of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person is taking a break from their routine life. They must be enjoying their vacations, they must be enjoying their leisure time alone. And yes, it seems like they are not in talk with you right now. Okay, there is zero communication between you and them because they are re-energizing themselves. They are on a break. It seems like they have fought a big battle of their life and it seems like they are taking complete rest right now. Okay, now let's see what you think about them, what actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, and what actions they can take towards you. What you think about them, what actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, what actions they can take towards you. So let's see what you think about them. Success. Oh, so you see this person as somebody who is a warrior, who is a successful person. Okay, you feel that whenever this person stand up and do something or this person wants to achieve something big in their life, they get that basically. Okay, this person, according to you, this person has conquered every battle of their life. Okay, they are being very, very successful person. They are hardworking, they are successful, they are popular. All right, now let's see what actions you are going to take towards them. Stress. Okay, it seems like it gives you a lot of stress to talk to this person. You feel that perhaps this person does not want to talk to me. Perhaps you have your own imaginations that I should not disturb them, or something is there. So there are a lot of reasons behind this that is giving you stress, and the stress is completely unnecessary stress. You are stressing about you are stressing yourself, you are keeping things on hold. That thing is making you really stressful. So there is some stress in your mind which is stopping you to take some actions towards this person. Now let's see what your person thinks about you. Mind. This person knows that you are an overthinker. You think a lot, you think unnecessary, and you think a lot. This person knows that you are somebody who always apply their mind, and sometimes you do over. Okay, so no matter how sorted you look from the outside, but deep down you think a lot, and your person knows this thing. Now let's see what actions they can take towards you. Sharing. All right, this person is here to share their blessings, their fortune with you. This person is here to share the brightness of the future, brightness of the universe with you. Okay, this person is here to share your sorrows and share their blessings with you. The moment they have entered in your life, you must have felt some good energies around you. Okay, so basically they are in your life to share something good, share something big. Alright, now let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. What angels are asking you to do. Yes. So it seems like angels are giving you their approval or giving their consent that yes, this person is here to share their blessing in your life. This person is to share the happiness of the world with you. That's why they are here in your life. Alright? Okay. Now Aries, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Pisces. We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. So some of you could be dealing with that too. And we have another fire sign also in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Alright. So Aries people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.